Good morning and welcome to the kingdom. This morning we are trying to make our $200 a day, and we're going to do it by day trading. The market will be open in 1 minute. This is the Dow 1 minute. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. That's what it's looking like. The NASDAQ came up. Let's see if the NASDAQ can break over that line right there. So if you're wondering where you are, this is the place where I teach people of faith how to become financially free. And this is the place where we break the cycle of poverty. So if you're struggling with money, this is where I'm going to teach believers how to break that curse. The market has just opened. Let's go to a 1-minute candle. Looks like it did touch our line in reversing. Let's give it a few minutes so it can settle in. What does this market want to do? Number one thing is you must be patient. Wait for your setup. All right, let's see. This is the NASDAQ. I believe it will hit this black line down here and bounce. Let's see if that's true. Okay, so that's the NASDAQ. It broke our line. So normally what I would want to do, let's do 2 contracts if it hits down the bottom. This is a 1 minute. Let's be real safe. Okay, it broke our line heavy. I'll get in. Not right now. Let's look at that 15-minute. Yeah, that 15 minutes down big. So I'll buy another one, 600 down. We're in there for another contract. We got to get this back over 700 to break even. You see what the Dow is doing? The Dow's really not moving. I'm going to add 2 more. I think we can get a reversal here. Oh yeah, it's still dropping. It's going down bad. Nasdaq's down 100 points. I should have waited for that next candle. Let's see if we can pop up to at least break even. We're far from that line I created, 730. Can it pop back up to 730? It's possible. Let me open this screen up. That's a lot better. Maybe you can see that better. Oh yeah, we got a major drawdown here. If it gets back into the 60s, I'm going to buy more. Kind of missed that opportunity right there. Okay, let's see. We might get another chance. Maybe not. We did not get another chance. We're up. Look at this. There we go. There we go. I'm taking $835 in less than 10 minutes. $835. You just seen that we had a drawdown of about roughly $1,500, $2,000 drawdown. We came up with an $830 win, all within 10 minutes of trading. This is how we do it in the kingdom. And again, I want to tell you, this is the wealth transfer. This is where you break that cycle and that curse of poverty that's over your life. And there's two ways we do it here. We do it through a business, and we do it through the stock market. You just saw that trade right there, $835 on that candle. Remember, God said, seek first the kingdom, and everything else will be added to you. So I need you to get out there and create a kingdom business.